Hey, welcome back. Eric from Ziebart. Guys, I got something pretty cool today. I got a 2000 Harley Davidson trike. It's a friend of mine. I'm at my shop today. He called me and asked me if I could do some paint correction on it. The paint is really rough on it. It's got 35,000 miles on this thing. So I said, yeah, and I grabbed some of our paint correction system that we use at Ziebart, and I told him to bring it on over, and we're gonna see what we can do today. So if you guys take a quick little look here, kind of see how bad this paint is, and it's a lot of material on a bike here. So I'm gonna screen shoot away, and we're gonna tear this down, and I'm gonna post another video here in a couple minutes, getting ready to do the step one of the paint correction. Hey guys, Eric from Ziebart again, here at my shop. Just posted a video a couple minutes ago before we did tear down on this trike. So now as we can see, we can really kind of see what we're working with here. So it's definitely seen better days. So I'm gonna get started on this. I'm gonna come back here in this back. I'm going to tape this off, and I'm gonna do paint correction on that side or one or the other. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys here in a couple minutes what our first step out of up to 3 different steps with our paint correction system, how good that initial step by itself does on black paint, which is really amazing. In some cases, we can just hit it with one step. It'll clear up this bed of paint and not have to go back over the multiple steps. So we're gonna see what it looks like after this one step. I'll get right back to you guys. Hey guys, Eric from Ziebart again. So I just did step 1 of our paint correction system. As you can see, it's almost like glass right now, and you can see with the light getting it, how good that looks still compared to this. That's with one step, guys. So I think I need to hit this some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with our second step and see how nice and how deep we can get that shine. Hey guys, Eric from Ziebart again. I think this is video 3 or 4. So I went one step further in our paint correction system. We can see how good that is looking. Now this does have spider webbing in the fiberglass, the cracking from the heat and stuff in the cold, which we can't get out. That would need a paint job. But we're gonna remove this and kind of see what we're looking at here. So guys, this is before, this is after. So we're gonna do this whole entire bike like that, and I really hope that this makes this person, my friend, enjoy his trike again. So this will definitely make a paint job proud and an owner proud. So we're gonna get back at it. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product in the end, and let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, Eric from Ziebart, here with the last video of the day. We just finished, no pun intended, this pig. It was a lot of work. Honestly, it was quite a bit more work than I thought it was gonna be. This paint was so bad, and there's a lot of crow's feet and spider marks and stuff in it where the fiberglass is popping, so you gotta be a little bit careful in certain areas. But if we can get a good little close-up here, guys. It's that fender. The rear hatch. This tank came out great. So I'll take some pictures of it so we can get a little bit better picture of it. We'll post those. Let me know what you guys think about this. And again, this is stuff that we provide. This is a service that we do at Ziebart, all of our stores, every single day. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people think that we're just rust proof undercoat. Guys, we're so much more than that. And this is a testament of the services and the materials and the chemicals and the machines and the quality of it that we use. Our guys are awesome. We do a great job there. We look forward to seeing you guys. Comment down low. Let me know what you think. And if you guys have any other ideas on videos you guys like to see me post about services that we provide, please ask away, and I'll do my best I can to accommodate you guys. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you guys liked it. Take care.